So we are going to start our 7th lesson, that is coins and notes. So before we start this lesson, first thing, the currency, Indian currency, it is divided into two types. One is in a paper format and another is in a metal format. The metal format are the coins and paper format are the currency which you can see which are present over here. So these both currencies or these both types are used while dealing in our day-to-day life. So first we are going to start with this. So first we will see the coins. We are familiar with this coin, but still this is a part of your lesson, so we are going to study in deep. This is coin of rupee 1. This is also coin of rupee 1. You can see now the coin have been reduced, but earlier the coin was like this. And the coin of rupee 2 is presented over here. Right now I am not having 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin, so it is not possible for me to show. You can see clearly over here, this is the note of particularly 10 rupee. Okay, this is the note of 50 rupee. You can see this is a currency of 100 rupee. This is 200 rupees. This is 500 rupees and this is 2000 rupees. So earlier there was 1000 note and 500 rupees note, which was, it is totally demolished now. On 8th November 2016, the new government had demolished all the old currencies and these new currencies were introduced. So how we are going, now we are going to see the denominations, how we are going to represent them. For example, if you consider, we will just show you. If you went in a shop and if you are if you want change of rupees 100, how we are going to present them and how a shopkeeper is going to give you. 100 rupees can be represented as 50 and 50. So 100 rupees can be also be given as 50-50. So these are change of rupees 100. If you are asking me of rupees 2000, if 2000 is a currency and if you want me the change of 2000, I can represent in 500 also. How I am going to represent them? I can write them 500, 500, and this one more 500 and this 500. You can clearly see one 500 note. This is second, this is third, and this is fourth. If you calculate them, 500 plus 500 is 1000. This 500 is 1500, and this 500 if you add it will be 2000. So instead of this 2000, the another denominations will be 504 notes. Okay. If you want to represent 500 note, how you are going to represent it? If you want to represent 500 note, you are going to represent two notes of 200 rupees. The value will be same, two notes of 200 and one note of 100. So if you see the currency, this is 500 and here you can see the addition, 200 plus 200 is 400 and 400 plus 100 is 500. So now we are going to solve actually the question. So now we are going to see the denomination. Denomination means how we are going to represent, how we are going to write 50 in different format. So before that, I am going to tell you one thing. Rupee, the symbol to denote rupee is denoted in such a way. Earlier it was RS, but right now it is been denoted in such a way. But in suppose if in exam paper, if it is not presented in RS, if it is not presented in such a way, I can write in RS. Why? Because on the keyboard this symbol is not properly mentioned. So now 50 rupees. How you can mention 50 rupees in three particular notes? Yes, 50 rupees can be written as 20, rupees 20 and rupees 10. How 20 can be written in two notes? How 20 can be distributed in two notes? Yes, we can take 10 rupees two notes. So the answer will be 20. How 10 rupees can be given in 5 coins? Which 5 coins you will take? I cannot take 1 rupee coin 5 times. It will be 5 rupees. I am supposed to take coin 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. If you see the addition of these 5, it will be 10. 2000, how I am going to mention in 4 particular places or 4 particular notes? Yes, I am going to take 500, 500, 500 and 500. Now the next part of this is 1000 rupees. How we are going to mention in this particular format? For example, 1000 rupees. How many 50 rupees note you require? How many 500 rupees notes you require? How many 100 rupees notes you require? And how many 200 rupees notes you require? This, for our sake, we can do it very easily. But you are a student, for you it will be very difficult. I will show you one by one. First part, that is 50 rupees note you want to mention into 1000. So 1000 is bigger number, so you will write on the top. 50 you will write down. What you will do? You will cancel out the zeros. What you got now? You got 100 upon 5. 100 upon 5 means basically you are going to do the division. 5 will be the divisor over here and 100 will be the dividend. What I did, this 5 which was down I have written over here, and this 100 I have mentioned over here. Now I will do the simple calculation. If you see in 5's table we don't get 100. So I am going to start with considering 1 digit or 2 digits. So first if you see 1 in 5's table I don't get 1 also. So I will consider this 2 digits, that is 1 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s is 10. So I will get here 0 0. This 0 is present still. So I am going to take this 0 down. 5 in 5's table I don't get 0. In 5's table 0 don't occur. So 5 zeros are 0. The answer will be 20. So how many notes of 50 you require? Yes, you require 20 notes of 50. So we will see the next part, that is 500 rupees. How many notes you require? So basically this bigger number I will write over here and 500 I will write over here. Common zeros we are going to cancel out 1, 1, 2 and this 2. This both went. Only the answer remain is over here 10 upon 5. So this 5 I will take as a divisor. 10 will be my dividend. I am going to divide 5 2s are 10. So how many notes I require of 500? Yes, I require 2 notes of 500. So now we will see the next part, that is 100 rupees note. I will take this 1000 over here. I will write this 100 down. Okay. If you clearly see this 1 0, this 1 0 got cancelled. This also 0, this also 0 got cancelled. What remained now? 10 upon 1. I will divide this 1 with respect to 10. So 1 1s are 1. 0 came down. This 0 will be also coming down. 1 zeros are 0. So how many notes you require of 100? Yes, you require 10 notes. And the next part is 200 notes. How many you require to represent 1000? So 1000 will be written on the top. I am going to divide it with 200. This 0 got cancelled. This 0 got cancelled. Here only remaining is 10 and down is 2. So 2 will be written over here. 10 will be written here. 2 5s are 10. So 200. How many notes you require? Sorry, it is 200. So you require 5 notes. So I am going to write over here 5. So this is your lesson, that is coins and notes. I hope you have understood it clearly. Try to solve the exercise which is present or which is given in your textbook. Thank you.